Several candidates held events on Friday night, even after a long and a snowy day out on the campaign trail. Former Patriots player Mike Vrabel introduced John Kasich to the crowd in Bedford.
Governor John Kasich.
On the Friday before the First in the Nation primary, Kasich reached his triple-digit goal, his 100th town hall in New Hampshire. At a Salem school, the Ted Cruz crowd reached capacity. He asked voters who did make it inside to show up at the polls and bring some friends. And in Derry, Marco Rubio posed for pictures with every voter waiting in line after his town hall at Hood Middle School.
Well, we're used to the weather, but it's not so bad.
Voters say snow can't keep them off the campaign trail, not this close to the primary.
I've been to every primary since 1992. I can't even count how many candidates I've seen over the years. And if the snow's going to keep me away, I might as well live in a different country.
Tyrell Brown came from Connecticut to see the primary.
It was terrible in Connecticut, and I said, I'm going. I don't care. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I'm a lifelong New Hampshire resident, so, yeah, it snowed today, but I think I can handle it. So I saw Jeb Bush last night. I've seen Chris Christie, also Donald Trump, and I wanted to see what Marco had to say. I want to see a few more candidates the next couple of days.
Candidates plan to be right back at it again on Saturday, though many Republicans tell us there will be time set aside for debate preps. In Derry, Jean Mackin, WMUR News 9.